Fire!
Oh no, fire! Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, and I hope each and every one of you are having a fantastic day as always. Guys, we are back at the farm. It is more LSA time. Riddle me this though. Every time I show my car, I feel like I'm staring at its ass. I don't get it. Maybe I have a small infatuation. So we'll try up here. We're making spaghetti, people. I got the wiring harness all laid out, which I kind of figured out. I think I might be going about the wrong direction. I think I should thin out the harness first, get rid of all the BS, and then we'll turn around and go back in and try to fit it to the engine. We're gonna make a different upload just on addressing the wiring harness in another day, because that's its whole ordeal on its own. So I decided to put the pedal box in, right? 1 second, let's get a light. Light. All right, so I decided to see how the pedal box was gonna line up, and I'll tell you what, I've got some room. Granted, I'm not gonna be able to wear DCs while I drive, but hey, there's plenty of room in there for a gas pedal. So we're golden there. Steering column, let's see if I can manipulate this one-handed.
Eventually.
It looks like the steering column's gonna work pretty well. So where does that leave us? Well, I had to get welding gas because I ran out. We have our list. Nothing's marked off of it yet, but the plan for today is to finish welding this guy all in, the harness, the diagonal bar, and that whole back half is 180% done. I'm not putting my door bars in yet, only because I know that they're gonna get in my way. I'm in a big hurry to get paint inside the chassis yet, so that it's not like it's high priorities. It's like somewhere here in the middle. But what is high priorities is wiring harness and fuel. I have to have a harness so that the engine can run, and I have to have fuel for the engine to run. Once that's done, all my attention goes there, and my attention at home goes on making this wiring harness, at least starting to thin it out. Let's get into this, guys. I'm super excited to be back doing daily vlogs, and let's get started. All right, well, it's time to check in. You've seen me doing some welding. Say hi.
I'm back.
You're back?
I'm back.
You left?
I guess not on YouTube, no.
In YouTube world, everyone's always here, right?
What are we doing?
Oh, well, I've kind of already done an intro this morning. Like, I've already said hi to the YouTube world.
I'm late as usual.
But you always bring food.
I do. You got to if you're going to be late.
So Seth is making templates right now so we can box off the ends of these frame and start working on the gas tank situation. So
Today is La Mullets. 2.4 hours of La Mullets. Cleese McFarland's having that going on tonight. So I'm tuning into that, Jack. So as always, per usual, I'll be stepping out shortly. I'm only going to be here for a few hours. You going to catch that tonight?
yes.
Good.
Downside is I didn't pre-order it, so I get to pay the $14.95 for viewing.
Oh, I guess I will be as well.
Because you guys didn't pre-order?
Damn.
If you don't know his channel, definitely go check it out. Guy bought a racetrack in the middle of Florida.
You're probably, by the time this posts, it'll be over. But
yeah.
That's what we're going to do tonight.
He's definitely not wrong there. Maybe I'll just cut a clip in here of later on of watching it.
Boy, here comes that 007. Break Wilkie, one more shot.
I'm definitely going to be streaming it at the house.
So yeah, we'll box up the rear end and all that good stuff. He just welded in this bar we've been waiting on.
I like how you just take control of this upload. I'm down.
Oh man, I didn't want to do that.
Guys, if you are new to this channel, please don't hesitate to smash that subscribe button if you love Volkswagens and Audis and Porsches and all things European, because that is all we do on this channel. We do DIYs, we do maintenance, we do drag racing things, drift racing things, autocrossing things. We build weird shit like this LSA powered Audi A6. Why? Because I can. And that's what we do. So smash that like button, smash that sub button, and continue enjoying this content. That's gonna finish the diagonal brace, and that finishes the back half of the cage.
The only thing left on the cage, besides the door bars, watch your head there, Jack.
Yeah, right.
Is some support on this. Maybe we can get some feedback, but I think this bar needs some kind of support. And I hope this never happens, but I always plan for the worst. It's flipping over on its lid and sliding into a concrete barrier. I mean, I don't know. I want a little of something here.
I don't think we're gonna flip 2-ton Tessie over, frankly.
You've got a supercharged nitrous LS. Why can't that power you? I don't know. In theory, how fast could you go? I'm sure we're gonna create enough momentum that we can possibly flip on our lid.
We're driving a lead sled.
Stop trying to get away from this, Jack. I'm trying to save your life. You were thinking originally about throwing a bar across here.
Yeah, so I was thinking about going from that corner to like maybe in this corner, or from this tube to this tube somewhere back there.
Yeah.
Just for that added support again. There's nothing in the rules that I find that says I have to, because the sunroof is actually going to be aluminum sheet metaled over. Seth and I were also debating on putting tubes from here to here, you know, just kind of some diagonal support there. But
well, that, and then putting a little tube. They don't have to be nothing major, just something to fall back on. 2 bars straight across, or maybe that diagonal bar. I don't know. Looking for a little feedback on that.
so let us know in the comment section below if what your thoughts are. I mean, we just, yeah.
We know what Jack wants to do.
Yeah, I'm ready to send it.
Help me out, YouTube.
Cut back later when we get some more stuff done. So,
Cool.
all right. Oh, too much. All right, well, time to check in. My ears just started ringing for some reason. It's weird. I think that means somebody's talking about you. I don't know. His hands are tingling, so.
I got some haptic feedback in my hand.
Okay, so here's where we're at. Seth just did a whole bunch of grinding, as you guys seen in the time lapse, and those templates that he made, we have turned into steel caps. Very nice. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna weld these into place. So those are gonna be in there like that, right? And then there'll be a plate that comes across here to here so that we have more surface area for the gas tank to sit on. That's the plan, and we're just gonna start welding. You got anything you wanna talk about?
Let's do it.
All right, let's just do it then. All right, guys, so we got this hole back in. Well, by in, I mean, it's like tacked in place. It's there. Guys, it's time to go watch 2.4 hours of Le Mans.
Because we got going on the project real good today, I thought.
Yeah.
So we got to cut it short, though.
He got a lot of stuff done on his stuff. We got a lot of stuff done on this. And, whoa. Yeah, so I don't got anything else to add. Do you have anything you want to add?
I know you briefly mentioned the probe and the Mazda and engine, Mitsubishi Turbo, and all this and that. We'll do something on that.
We'll definitely have to take a field trip to his house and show you guys.
I didn't account for the subframe. If you guys remember anything on prior videos, I had a little block sitting over here. Yeah, it was just a little mock-up station, and really was confident in that rotation, and ended up being right on the sub. I live like 40 minutes away, so I've been going between the two houses trying to figure this out. So it's been a process. But that's what I've been up to, in case y'all were wondering about the probe.
This time last year it was on the channel.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think it was on the channel because you drove it out here.
Yeah.
It was about the time that we...
It was very brief.
All right, guys. Yeah. Well, if you're new to this channel and you haven't hit that subscribe button already, don't forget to smash that sub button. And we've asked for many things for you to drop in the comments below. So, peace. I'm Audi. He's Proby. We'll see you later.